Welcome to Project Zapworks Teardown Edition. Our project today is to tear this down. Two lockout, one metal shackle, one nylon shackle. Let's start. This is a Brady Lockout. There's a screw inside. Just open it. Remove it slowly on the bottom. Just push this one. See? And it's out. What's inside? The metal shackle, the screw which we remove, the main housing, the ball bearing holder for locking, open it, the locking mechanism, and the nut for this bolt. This is the locking mechanism. And of course, a two ball bearing. These two guys is very hard to install. But to make it easier, use petroleum jelly. Let's put it back. First, get a petroleum jelly. Put it for each corner of the groove for the ball bearing. Get the main body, install this one. Then get a ball pen, pencil, install the two ball bearing inside, and place it on each corner. The petroleum jelly will hold the two ball bearing in place. Just make sure it's aligned on the metal shackle. And just leave it like that. Install the mechanism. Again, use a petroleum jelly to put this in place. Put the key, petroleum jelly will hold this so that it will not fall easily. Then take this one. The two ball bearing is set. Make sure this one is close. Then put it inside. Slowly. So that the ball bearing will not move. Then presto. Put the screw. Lock it in. Wipe the petroleum jelly. Anyway, it's add to the lubricant. Then good. Next, the nylon shackle. Open it. We're just going to remove the screw. Slowly push the shackle downward. Then it's all removed. Same as the metal shackle. Locking mechanism. Don't forget the lock and the nut. You must align it. Then same as the metal shackle. This is the nylon shackle. That's the ball bearing. Then the ball bearing holder. Let's put it back. Get our petroleum jelly. Put some petroleum jelly on each globe. See, just remove the screw first. We can install this later. Put the nylon shackle, drop, and install the two ball bearing for each side. Make sure it's going to each side. So the petroleum jelly will hold that. Next, get our petroleum jelly again. Put it there. Then lock. Should be on a lock position. Align it to the groove and slowly put in place. Push it, slowly push it. Oh, look. Okay, that's good. And it's open. Then install the screw. Put back the screw. Then we're done. screw it more. Okay. Then we tear it apart, but instead we install it back. So that's our teardown for this day. Don't forget to like and subscribe.